Good morning, sisters. My name is Gina De La Peña. I'm from Cavite, ICC. My topic is pursuing righteousness. Sisters, in the Old Testament, it says no one has seen God and live. But we are under new covenant. The Bible teaches us in Matthew 5 verse 8, "Blessed are the pure in heart, for they will see God." In our time, we have that privilege to be able to see God. Hindi yung pagpatay na tayo, sisters. And I hope we'll be able to make it. But why we're still alive? Marami sa atin, sisters, ang daming mga goals, di ba? Starting the year, ang dami. Karamihan dito, kagaya ko, single, parang taon-taon na lang, one of my goals is I wanna be dating, di ba? Pero, meron ako, and so far, siguro mga 1 million years na, 33 years na akong disciple, I'm still single, happily single, right? But I learned something, sisters. You know, last 2022, sinimplihan ko na lang yung goal ko. Napagod din ang lola mo, di ba? So make it simple. I was diagnosed with myasthenia gravis. It's an autoimmune disease. Paki-Google nyo na lang with the time limit. You know, I've gone through major surgery. It was very challenging time. But before that, one of my goal lang, sister, sabi ko lang, ang tagal ko ng disciple, my only goal is I wanna get to know you, God, as my Father. I want to see you every single day as my Father. And I think, sisters, one of that simple goal, ang pinaka-goal natin, sisters, is to be with God for eternity. Saan ba natin i-suspend yung eternity natin? With a lot of things happening, sisters, sabi ni Jesus in Luke 9:25, "What good is it for a man to gain the whole world and yet lose your very self?" Kung ano man, pagdating ng araw, sisters, darating ang isang araw that everything that we have in life will lose its value. But the only one that will survive and last for long is our relationship with God. So then we have to have that, sabi nga ni Micah, make it simple. Ang goal lang natin is to have that pure heart so that we can see God. Papaano, sisters? Number one, we have to be able to confess our sins. Bakit? Because God looks at our heart. Yun ang tinitignan ni God. Pangalawa, anong sabi doon? Sa Revelations chapter 21, verse 27, "Nothing impure with evil enter heaven." Hindi tayo makakapasok kundi pure ang heart natin. And then pangatlo, hindi natin alam, James 4:14, "We do not even know what will happen tomorrow." Ang buhay natin daw ay mist that appears for a little while. So sisters, every single day, kailangan ang goal lang natin when we wake up in the morning is to see God and have that purity of heart. Papaano? When you have hidden sin, I challenge you, sisters, to confess. This is our time. Sabi nga, magpakatotoo na tayo, sisters. Because in the kingdom, there's no judgment, but only love and, helping one another to get right with God. Pangalawa, our relationship with God. Sabi ni David, we have to put, sabi niya, how can I stay pure? By living according to His word, sisters, in Psalm 119, verse 10. So, in Psalm 55:22, I want to read this. "Cast your cares on the Lord, and He will sustain you. He will never let the righteous be shaken." No matter what happens, sisters, when we pursue righteousness by having a pure heart, sisters, God will not allow us to be shaken. Especially now, ang daming nangyayari, di ba? Kaya hindi ako masyado sa Facebook. Yung mga letter, yung letter na lang ni God ang babasahin ko kesa doon. There is so much to look forward for being with God and spending our eternity, sisters, with Him. Let's all guard our hearts and stay pure. And all together, let's say, sisters, we can do this. Let's be pure, and to God be all the glory. Thank you.